Sure I'm gonna do this. I think I'm just gonna do bar. But it's a choice or not to. I'm going with it. See my chest will think of this? No, I just, I'm not quite sure what it's like to do. I think I'm stopping for the day. It's been really busy, but I raised this here. We're expecting rain, so it'll settle a little bit. And if I need to top it up next year, I will, or even next week, because I'm buying more soil. This is 15 bags of soil, believe it or not. 15! So next week I'd like to put the edging here and define the garden. But I'm loving this here because there was quite a dip here from the construction. That's going to be more or less where the plant is, the top of the stair. So this will be about 4 inches off. So I don't know if I want to raise the bed or just have it all like this, and you're just going to have the steps going down. I think the hostas will grow to accommodate that, but I'm absolutely loving this. I need more rockery over here, but it's looking lovely. Very pleased. Goodness, if I can get this side done this year, just up here, and I don't have to worry about it next spring, then I'll just be focusing on that. And the wall, I don't know if I'm going to do the wall all the way up next year, but that garden for sure. It's too bad I ran out. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find any of the red and the blue. Oh, it's dry. So Rocky Shores. What a relief to have that done. And I'm glad I just put RS for Rocky Shores rather than write out Rocky Shores. So it's dried though. And everything is nice and still here. The rhododendrons are absolutely lovely. And this one is gorgeous. Goodness. The garden will look a lot better. So my mom deadheaded all of these. She's 91 and has a lot of mobility issues, but she still does her gardening at home. And I kept telling her not to, but couldn't get her to sit down. So she deadheaded those, and over here as well. So there's some hair cap moss there that I'm gonna lift and I'm gonna move over there once I get that somewhat graded. And from here you can see how it goes down and then it goes back up. So that I'm gonna fill. And from there to here I'm not gonna touch. I just want a nice, well, I have to fill it to meet the other end. I think it's either washed off or it's settled there. But oh my goodness, it just looks so lovely from here. So lovely. You can't really see in the on the video. Well, I'm gonna go because there's a lot of noises coming from the forest. I wanted to do another coat of stain on the back of those signs. They might be dry. If they are, I might do a quick coat and leave it at that. So along this here, I will have to fill once I have the boards in here for the walk. Then I can determine, but it's going to stay more or less that level. Over here might come up a little bit because this is kind of low, and I might do that now too. But I'm so pleased with the outcome. Thank you very much for watching. I greatly appreciate your support. If you like my content, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so that you get notifications every week when a new video comes out. But thank you so much for watching.